Hey baby loves, I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this cute pigtail style using my Beauty Forever bundles. So let's get it started because it's very simple. So my hair was already in a style before I started this look, so that's why my hair kind of looks cray cray, but it's cool because my hair was already in a middle part, so it was really easy to get this look done for you guys. PS, this video is super old, and that's why my face still looks crazy in this video. You're going to need a couple of elastic bands, Eco Styling Gel water, and of course a two-sided brush, and you're also going to need some bundles. And if you click the link below, you can get the same exact bundles that I'm using in this video, which is Beauty Forever Brazilian Body Wave bundles. And yes, super nice hair, really soft, really easy to maintain. It's really easy to run my fingers through. The luster is really pretty. It's giving realistic vibes, and it matches my hair texture because you know why? Because it's Brazilian hair, and Brazilian always gets the job done for me. So I'm never ever disappointed when it comes to Brazilian hair. But you know, of course, you have to test out the quality. You have to make sure you do your research and all that good stuff. But Beauty Forever definitely has good hair, so I'm not tripping about it. So as you can see, I'm just slicking and making sure I'm getting the placement correct. The placement of your ponytail is up to you. I like to have it like at the bottom or the back of my neck. And yeah, so really self-explanatory. Just watch this part, and when it's time for me to start wrapping the wefts around my actual ponytail, I will come back. Alright babes, now time for the fun part. So as you can see, I'm wrapping my hair into a little tiny bun, and then we're going to start wrapping this weft around these little baby buns. And super easy. So if you guys already seen how I did my super sleek ponytail looks, same technique, okay, but we're just using 2 bundles today, and 1 bundle for each side. Definitely your preference. You can put 2 bundles on each, you know, ponytail. Not I, because I want my edges, I want the nape of my neck to still be full. I just don't want to weigh my hair down and cause a lot of tension to my hair. So what we're going to do is take the weft right? Take the weft and we're going to wrap it around the ponytail, and we're going to use that little small piece on the end of the weft to secure the situation down. And then we're going to start taking the rest of the weft and wrapping it around. It's really hard to explain, but I am a visual learner, so hopefully you guys are too. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And you just want to take your time with this. You want to make sure the weft is lining up with each other. There's no like lumps or anything like that. And you want to make sure it's secure enough. You don't want to have to apply too many bobby pins, okay? I don't really like using bobby pins. I don't use bobby pins at all unless I feel like I need to. But bobby pins is just going to stab you in the back of your neck. It's going to give you a headache. You're going to be frustrated. And I don't have time for that. All you have to do is just make sure you're putting enough, oomph on your wrap that you feel real secure about it. Don't have it super tight and don't have it super loose, because it will loosen up on you throughout your day, and you don't want that at all. And then you're going to see in a minute, after I get to the end, that I'm going to use the end of the other side of the weft just to wrap around so it can look a little bit more realistic. Stop right here and you can cut off the weft, or you can keep going and put the full bundle in your head. So it's definitely up to you. So enjoy this part. Ponytail, two pigtail kind of look. I used 2 bundles to get this look, so one full bundle on this side, one full bundle on this side. Because of how soft this hair is, you guys know that it's going to straighten really nice. I don't like this look with like straight pigtails. I just feel like that's kind of like boring. So I actually like the little wave that is going on right here, and the hair is really pretty and really soft. As you can see, there's no dead ends or anything like that. I do see a few flyaways, but it's nothing too crazy. So just keep that in mind, and you can always just co-wash the hair, shampoo and conditioner, just to kind of get the flyaways a little tamed, but it's nothing crazy. Yeah, the flyaways are not even bad at all. I don't even know why I said that. Do different styles. You can twist your hair. And make cute little buns. Pin it down like that. And you can do the same thing on this side, just twist. get this look. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you babies in my next video.